siya, i-debone lang natin yung chicken. So, ito na yung ating chicken. Meron tayo dito 3 legs. Tuloy lang natin. You know. Yung buto pwede nyo i-save para pwede nyo gawing soup. Or pang tinola. Pwede yun. Next step, para matanggal yung lansa ng ating chicken, kailangan natin ng water. A spoon of salt and a spoon of vinegar. Then give it a good massage, and then we're gonna rinse this after. Ayun, para mawala yung amoy ng lansa. Yung reason ng ating vinegar, salt, and water. Tsaka yung mga blood para matanggal na siya. Ayan siya. That should be good. Ayan o. Linis na siya. Then we're gonna rinse it with water and then balik tayo. Tapos natin ibanlawan. Wahiwaan lang natin ng konti. Then we're gonna marinate our chicken with some beer. Ooh. Ginger, spring onion, salt, and pepper. You can smell the beer, no? We're gonna give this a good mix and we're gonna marinate for like 10 minutes. Kami yung amoy ng beer at saka ng luya, oh. So nawala na yung lansa ng chicken. Gonna add more beer. Look at that. So, and then we're gonna marinate for 10 minutes and we'll be back. You can also use cooking wine if you have cooking wine, but I'm preparing the beer. Kung nagmamarinate tayo ng ating chicken, we can start our sauce. We need tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of cooking wine o meron tayong beer para maubusan natin yung beer. And we also need a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and light sauce. Yan. And 2 tablespoons of honey. Tansyahin nyo na lang how much for the honey, you know. You can always adjust. And half cup of water, not sugar, water. Yeah. Then halo-halo na tayo. Hanggang sa mag-blend. And then we'll be back. Magprito na tayo. Nagpainit na tayo ng mantika. All good. Bango. Ito, ang bango. Ito lang natin hanggang maging golden brown both sides. And then we will be back. Malapit ang ito. Ang bango. Ito lang natin. Dito na yung side. Sumami mo lang siya. Ang bango. Okay. Nasa dito. Hindi na tayo na dito eh. So, lang natin ang pagprito. By this time, okay na natin chicken. And we're gonna pour in our sauce. Ayan, we made earlier. Pag medyo maraming oil, pwede nyo bawasan. We're gonna pour this one in. And we're gonna let it simmer until magpipin yung ating sauce. Ma-absorb yung ating sauce. And then we'll be back. Sa amoy pa lang. Parami na naman ang kain. Sarap. Chicken, nag-reduce na yung sauce na nilagay natin kanina. And for final touches, we have sesame seed. Ano ba yan? Yung sauce, nag-reduce na siya. Ang kailangan ito ay maraming kanin. Our honey chicken leg.